One of the most operation-savvy engineers of his time, Robert "Bob" Shoemaker, had a keen eye for detail and an uncanny ability to spot the weak link in a design. With a devotion to practical application of appropriate theory, he excelled at solving complex problems efficiently and decisively. It was the application of these skills that allowed Bob to thrive as one of the world's preeminent metallurgists. He worked on gold, silver, copper, iron ore, molybdenum, uranium, tungsten, vermiculite, and coal projects in 22 countries and on every continent except Antarctica. Bob's career began in minerals research and plant operations at several Union Carbide affiliates. In 1962, he joined the Mining and Metals Division of Bechtel Corporation as a supervising engineer, metallurgical engineer, consulting engineer, and eventually manager of plant design for Bechtel offices in San Francisco, Toronto, and Melbourne. In 1964, Bob was responsible for designing the Carlin Gold Plant for Newmont Mining, which was the first gold plant built in the United States in more than 30 years. While he had numerous major process designs to his credit, it was precious metal extraction that really distinguished Bob from his peers. A leader in the revolution in gold metallurgy in the late 1970s, 80s, and 90s, Bob pioneered the idea of recycling low-grade gold-bearing solution at the Zortman-Landusky mine in Montana, a concept that quickly became standard practice for heap-and-dump leaching operations. The three components to this revolution include the introduction of heap-and-dump leaching on a large scale to treat low-grade ores, the widespread adoption of carbon absorption systems for metal recovery from cyanide solution, and the development of methods to effectively process refractory sulfidic, including chlorination, roasting, and pressure oxidation. Bob was one of the few people in practical plant design, construction, and operation to commit his experiences to paper. In 1975 and 1981, he co-authored two groundbreaking books with Frank McQuiston called Gold and Silver Cyanidation, Plant Practice, Volumes 1 and 2. He also edited several other books and published dozens of technical papers on plant design and practice. Later in his career, Bob was called upon as an expert witness for a number of litigation cases across the globe. He has the unusual and perhaps unprecedented distinction of being on the winning side in 14 out of 14 cases. Throughout his career, Bob was a strong supporter of industry organizations. He served as president of the American Institute of Mining Engineers, the Society for Mining, Metallurgy, and Exploration, and the Mining and Metallurgical Society of America. He was active in a number of other metallurgical organizations worldwide. He pledged $1 million to the Society for Mining, Metallurgy, and Exploration Foundation to support the PhD Fellowship and Career Grant Program that was established and implemented in 2015. Bob was the recipient of the prestigious American Institute of Mining Engineers Robert H. Richards Award in 1974 and received an honorary degree in metallurgical engineering from Montana Tech in 1975. He was a Society for Mining, Metallurgy, and Exploration Crum Lecturer in 1989. In 2008, the Society for Mining, Metallurgy, and Exploration's Metallurgical and Mineral Processing Community honored Bob by organizing the International Hydrometallurgy Conference to recognize his achievements and contributions in the field. With his enthusiasm for metallurgy and his dedication to the art, Bob Shoemaker was a supreme statesman for his field and a great role model for young metallurgists today.